doing this easy, simple cat eye. This is my everyday kind of wear cat eye, and it's very subtle, so it's not too dramatic or anything. So if you want to learn how to get this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already done this eye, and now I'm going to move on to this eye. I'm using Pixi Gel Liner, and it's in the color Onyx or something like that, and it's black. And then I'm using a eyeliner brush. It's dirty because I just did this eye, so yeah. Okay, so let's get started on the other eye. So you just want to take a small amount on your brush because a little bit goes a long way. Okay. And you just want to start with small strokes because it's easier to control. And I like to start from the middle and then out and then go back in, and then I do my wing the last. And I do tug on my eye because I find it easier to control and I get a straighter line. So I mean, if you don't feel like tugging on your eye or you think it's going to give you wrinkles or whatnot, then just don't do it. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far without the wing. Okay, so you're just gonna, with your wing, you're just gonna follow the line of your bottom, I guess, lash line or whatnot. So you put it like that, and whatever, like, you just go follow that line for your wing. If that makes sense. So I just like to imprint it. Kind of just drag it up just a little bit. You can see that I made it, you can see that it's just a little bit like a wing, but you're just gonna make it a little bit more intense by connecting the two lines. If you don't like how it turns out or anything like that, you can just always go back with a Q-tip and some makeup remover to fix it. Just going to make this one a little bit darker. Okay, you just want to make sure that they're even. And they look pretty even to me. So yeah, that's how you get a wing. And I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and apply my mascara, and then I'll show you my final look. Okay, so this is the final look for the cat eye. I applied gel liner on the bottom too, on my waterline, and applied Lash Blast to my eyelashes, so in waterproof. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you later. Bye!